गोयात 1,78,000 मतदारांची नावां मसुदा वळेरेंतल्यान वगळ्यात। आता मेरेन 10.84 लाख मतदारांचे एन्युमरेशन फॉर्म एकठांय केल्यात। 1.82 लाख मतदारांचे मॅपिंग प्रलंबित आसा अशी माहिती मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी संजय गोयल हांणी दिली।
In order to bring transparency in the entire system, on 10th, all the booth level officers had a meeting with the booth level agents at the polling station or any other convenient place, and the list of ASDD voters part wise, which is like booth wise, it was shared also with the BLAs. So the purpose of that meeting was that because it was done one day prior to the finalization of the enumeration phase, so that if there is any anomaly in the ASDD list, like somebody's name has wrongly come in that list, though that elector is there in that part, then they can be pointed out, and because there was a rollback option available with us till 11 midnight, we can correct that anomaly. So that's why the meeting was done, and the minutes of the meeting, the photograph of the meeting, and the list of ASDD voter, it was shared on the DO website also, and the link is also available on CO website. So the entire thing was done in a very transparent manner with the involvement of the political parties and their grassroots workers, which are BLAs, so that there is absolutely like no grievance later.